Hey, this is David at Richter Scale Studios. I want to thank everyone for using my Amazon affiliate links. I was able to buy some proper studio lighting using my commissions. They're not super expensive or anything, but they do work, and I'm just playing with the lighting, obviously. Got some warm light over there, cooler light there, and then we have my old fluorescent light on the printer. I'll be doing the TL smoothers for the steppers soon. And over here on the PRUSA Mark III, excuse me, I just actually just finished the print for Corvus Games Terrain Freighter model. This thing is significantly in size. You can see there's a still not painted Rebel Trooper from Star Wars Legion, gun barrels. Most of the ship is put together, super glue. Got some seam lines I'm going to have to deal with after I prime it. The crew compartment. Cargo containers are going to be magnetized with some 3/16 by 1/8 magnets. I kind of feel like those are dialed in. And then the rest of the gun assembly just came off the PRUSA Mark III. Used some inexpensive TotalPack Black PLA. I'll have links below. Turned out okay. I got this. I think I bought this PLA for like $10. I think it's a little more expensive now, but always keep an eye on it on Amazon. It goes on sale quite often. So that is it. Oh, and this is going to be eventually an enclosure. I'm going to buy one more piece. This is the LAC by IKEA, and I'll put a link below to make the enclosure for the PRUSA. For doing bigger ABS prints and all that, it'll be enclosed with some plexiglass, and PETG parts will be all included. So that'll be a new project to be working on with all the other ones. And then Anycubic still apart. The CR10 still apart. I just ripped out the, what was I going to call it? Oh, the Octoprint that was powered off the PSU. It's a pain to have because it only works when it's on. So I'm taking that out. I'm running the LEDs off of the PSU now, so that'll be different. There's a switch for it. Also, from the Ender 3, I took this idea, or not the idea, but the part, putting it on here. Since it's always off anyways, the ribbon cable will be running from here with a full-size SD card for if I want to run SD off of the CR10. So that is it for a quick update. There's a PrinterBot. I have to put that together in memoriam of PrinterBot closing its doors. It's a great printer, and it'll be running again soon. Thanks for joining me.